everyone. Today we are going to make Parle-G cake. So the ingredients required are: we have taken fruit and berries, 1 packet of Oreo, 1 packet of Parle-G, baking powder and 1 glass milk. Let's start the recipe. We have put the Parle-G's biscuit in a bowl. Now we'll separate the cream of Oreo biscuits . Now we have separated the cream from the Oreo biscuits. In this bowl we have the biscuits. Now we will make a fine powder of the biscuits. As you can see, our powder is ready. Let's proceed with the recipe. Now we will put it in a bowl. Now we will grind the sugar. Our powdered sugar is ready. We'll add the powdered sugar in the powder of the biscuits. Now we will mix it properly with the help of a whisk. We will add 1 tablespoon of baking powder. And mix it properly. Make sure there are no lumps. Now we will slowly add lukewarm milk. This is the perfect consistency for making cake. We will add some fruit and berries at this stage. We will add some salt in a utensil. Place a stand on it. We will preheat it for 5 to 10 minutes and the flame should be low. We will grease the cake tin with butter. We have greased the cake tin with butter. Now we will coat it with some flour. Now we will put our cake batter in this cake tin. Now we will add some fruit and berries on the top of the cake batter. We will put our cake tin in a preheated utensil. We will cover it for 35 to 40 minutes. Now we will add our leftover milk in the cream that we separated from the Oreo biscuits, and we will mix it. Our cream is ready now. We will put it in refrigerator until our cake is ready. It is 30 minutes now. We will check if our cake is ready or not. We will insert a toothpick, and if it comes back clean, it means the cake is ready. Our cake is not yet ready, so we will leave it for another 10 to 15 minutes. After 20 more minutes, our cake is at last ready. We will let it cool down. Our cake is ready. Now we will spread the cream. Now we will put some fruit and berries. Hope you liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Do comment down. Thanks for watching. Bye.